Do you know how to make the acrylic sign?
Nowadays, various business places use acrylic signs which made by acrylic, simple and elegant. They have a variety of functions, some are for putting posters, some are for displaying products, and someone asked special shapes by different requirements. The plasticity is very strong.
In the next 20 years, we believe it will still be popular in the market. So, do you know what equipment can make such signs? Due to individual requirements, most of them are made by hand.
The operators can make exquisite products as long as they are careful. The acrylic bending machine, equipped with infrared heating tube, heating evenly, long life working time which is better than heating wire.
The longer the equipment life, the lower the cost allocation.